What, Boo? Are you really excited because Boo's there? Oh yeah, we're super excited. Oh yeah, we're jumping up and down like crazy. All because of Boo's present. What do you think about Boo? Huh? What do you think about Boo Man? Is that your favorite puppy in the world? Is that your favorite puppy in the world, little girl?